Hey guys, sorry about that filming. Was a film. Anyway, this is my friend. My friend. Okay. Ew. Yuck. Ugh. Ew. Okay. Anyway, why am I here? What did I do to deserve? Oh, hi, gal. Hi, Lunatus. My friend. Yeah, James. She live streamed. She live streamed without telling me. Sorry. Movie stuff on it? Oh, Lady Gaga. I feel like this is going to be a reacting video.
Play 3 games using one profile. Visit Movie Star Planning.
No, thank you.
Pick movies and share them with your...
Yeah, I don't want to be safety online, thank you. No, let's watch another ad. Feedback. I want your feedback.
This theme is so perfect, and you can make it cute or creepy, so it fits both my styles.
Ew.
Awesome, MSP. 10 out of 10. Good job.
Are y'all for real? This theme is the worst look yet. Does anyone know what MSP phone number is?
Oh my god, so cute! I'm in love/dead. And please make this one, please, just once a theme with no VIP.
Oh, ring. So kawaii.
Aliens, eyes, and glitter? Now that's what I'm talking about, MSP staff.
I'm kind of tired of pink and bright colors. My emo soul needs a dark Halloween theme. I feel like Kylie Jenner works at MSP because MSP always copies her looks.
I don't care what other people say. MSP, I'm grateful you even do these themes at all with all the hate you get.
This theme is just ew.
I know.
I feel like this is a Nicki Minaj theme. I swear to God, if it is, then rest in peace, my poor soul.
These themes are actually really stepping up. This looks like a cool theme, and I'm gonna play MSP more often now.
I kinda hate this. The hair, the dress, and the shoes in this picture. Okay, after this, can you do a sloth theme, please?
I have no idea what it's about, but I sure love that hair.
It's a gross theme. Who celebrates a birthday with flamingos? Flamingo fabulousness.
Is it me or that ghoul with long hair is scaring me like whoa? In 8 pages? Very well job.
Finally! I would join again just for these outfits. VIP for a year? LOL.
I love it. It's so creepy. By the way, thanks for adding wings.
MSP, I think I should design outfits for the theme, if you know what I mean. Sloth.
This is so great. Thank you so much, MSP. Oh my god.
Not bad.
Okay.
Yes.
MSP, let me in your workspace so I can rate them and a lot more because I want it all. Oh my god.
The hair could be better. Can you guys do a Oreo theme?
Wow, BFF theme? Yay! I just got my bestie VIP.
Goals trend happened last month. Bro. I don't like this theme, but the hair looks nice. LMAO. LOL.
I love it!
Whip and Nene isn't even cool anymore, if it ever was. Still waiting for a Nirvana theme.
Oh my god, what a beautiful theme. I greet the whole crew.
This theme doesn't look too good, but I guess I can live with it. Hello, darkness, my old friend.
This theme is actually really cool. I love the new animations.
You can do better, but I'm done with it. Those wings are killing me.
I suppose I'm thankful for this theme right now as it's actually decent.
Is that Thanksgiving? Because we don't have this kind of holiday in our country. Who cares if it's a Thanksgiving theme? If the clothes are better, why does it matter?
The clothes really save it, as they can be used as both alternative and the average. That's what really makes a theme.
The theme is sort of okay, but boring. I think this theme looks really cute.
Ew. Yeah, no, thank you. Okay, so yeah, BFF. My BFF YouTube. Okay, that's good. So if there's any questions to ask for Q&A, if I would have one, I don't even know. Comment or like if you want me to do Q&A, and dislike if you don't want me to. Please dislike, please. Anyway. Okay. Cheating. I'm so sorry. I have not talked in a while. That voice though. Who said this? Who said this? Who said this? Oh my god, no, let's play. No, telling out too much. Oh, okay, finger. Chica. Goodness, people are getting weird usernames. I don't have a favorite boy band. Well, that's nice. Oh, I lost him a minute ago. It's going. It's going. Yeah, I'm hurting my lips. My lips. ABC. A B C D E F G H I J K L M O P Q R S T U. Who made the alphabet? Maddie is my baby daddy. Bruh. So, let's make it bounce. Yay! This is the first time I've got a robot. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Now I know my ABCs. Guys, this is gonna be the first time I get Roblox. Yeah, no, I'm just remaking it. Because I never made one. So ignore this stuff. Anyway. So, I got a Roblox. And I went shopping stuff. That's why these have all closed. I accidentally deleted these. I want them back for the video. Wait, oh, I need you, Jeff. What's wrong with you? Go away. Oh, Lily, go away. Okay, let's get. I don't know. So, I got a top. Let me find a bottom. Now, me. Yeah, it'll I found something that looks pretty. This. I want to get crazy over stuff. That actually looks cute. It did right off her, but it doesn't really suit the outfit. So I was gonna keep this hair. Cause I did get a couple faces. So yeah, so this is me. Let's get an niche. Sorry, I'm drunk. I picked out random animation. Oh, let's do this one. Let's do some Roblox. Thank you. Yes, going. Oh, this is my account. Sorry, I'm drunk. Okay, so I'm gonna end it here. Like, subscribe, share, turn notifications on, and yeah. Bye. Well, yeah, add me on Skype if you really want to. Add me on Skype. Bye bye.